Tunnel boring machine TBM, the underground engineering marvel. What is a TBM? A tunnel boring machine is a massive high-tech drilling system that creates tunnels with precision. It's like a giant mechanical worm that chews through soil and rock. Key advantages: safety minimizes worker exposure to hazardous conditions. Speed can tunnel 10 to 15 meters per day, compared to 1 to 2 meters with conventional methods. Precision laser guided for perfect alignment. Clean operation produces smooth tunnel walls requiring less finishing. Major applications: metro rail systems Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. Hydroelectric projects Himalayan region. Road tunnels Chenani-Nashri Tunnel. Water supply and sewage systems. Technological integration. Real-time monitoring systems. Automated segment installation. Advanced cutter head designs for different geologies. Remote operation capabilities. Benefits for infrastructure development. Accelerates project timelines. Reduces surface disruption in urban areas. Creates opportunities for skilled employment. Enhances project safety standards. Indian context. Ya technology Hamari metro projects ko kitna. Fast track Kardi High Pahal Kezamane main tunnel banana. Ak bahut risky kondav. TBM ki madad se say for efficient hoga High Delhi. Metro ne to record time main Kampura kar dikaya. Technical note: modern TBMs can weigh over 1,000 tons and be longer than 100 meters, making them among the largest mobile machines ever built. Their circular design provides natural structural stability to tunnels. Future outlook: with smart sensors and AI integration, next-gen TBMs will become even more efficient, potentially reducing tunneling costs by up to 30% while improving accuracy.